Lesson 2. Chickpeas, legumes, seed, recipe, lentils, ingredients, digestive system, meal, delicious, raw, hummus, properly, peanut, molokhia, group, soup, koshari, regularly, locally, belong, belonged, enjoy, enjoyed, check, checked, water, watered, turn, turned, harvest, harvested, put, put, take, took, keep, kept, make, made, such as, belong to, from farm to fork, turn brown, plant in rows, make into, from farm to fork. Ashraf grows chickpeas. Chickpeas are an important ingredient in many recipes, such as koshari and hummus. Chickpeas aren't a fruit or a vegetable. They belong to a group of foods called legumes. Other legumes are lentils and peanuts. Chickpeas are a healthy food. They can help to keep your digestive system working properly. The chickpeas that you eat are the seeds of the chickpea plant. This is how you grow chickpeas and make them into delicious meals. How to plant chickpeas and make them into delicious meals. 1. Plant chickpeas in rows. Water them regularly. 2. Check the chickpea plants. They should look green and healthy. 3. After a while, the chickpeas will turn brown. This is when you harvest them and collect the seeds. 4. Put the seeds into bags and take them to the market. 5. Marwa buys some chickpeas and other ingredients at the market to make a delicious meal. 6. Marwa puts the chickpeas in koshari and enjoys it with her family. Beetle, eagle, snake, lizard, caterpillar, wheat, dot palm, fungi. Tertiary consumers, food chain, plants, insects. Primary consumers, producers, energy, consumer. Secondary consumers, grass, decomposers. Provide, provided, cold, cold. See, so, get, got, eat, ate. Provide for, at the start of, get from, be called. Producers are dot palm, sun, wheat. Beetle and caterpillar are a primary consumer. Lizard and snake are secondary consumer. Eagle and fox are a tertiary consumer. Decomposers is fungi.